The theme of the World Environment Day 2024 is land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. The United Nations has given a rallying call to all of us to work on reviving the ecosystem and developing a sustainable world. Let us all work together to achieve these goals. On this day, I wish everyone a happy World Environment Day. At the Symbiosis Skills Universities in Indore and Pune, we are working towards achieving these goals for sustainable development. We have recently established the School of Sustainability and launched a BTech program in sustainable development and smart energy. Let us all work together to achieve a happy World Environment Day.